Welcome to eStorm's Bite-Sized Tech Tips. We've got a quick video for you today about Outlook calendar productivity. Research shows that color not only boosts our mood as well as calms us down, but we also interpret color better and faster than just rows and columns of data and information. So today I'm going to show you how to use this in your Outlook calendar. So we'll jump into our Outlook calendar, and as you can see, I have a number of different things scheduled in here, all color-coded. They all have assigned meanings, so obviously you can choose your own colors and assign your own meanings. So for me, just glancing at my calendar, I know I have 2 meetings, 1 phone call, 2 creative blocks, and some marketing campaign work today. It's really simple to do, so we'll just jump in and create a new appointment. We'll call this one example. We'll give it a time. And now we'll hit categorize. As you can see here, I've got my colors and their assigned meanings. And to create that, we just hit all categories. Now we hit new. We'll call this one example. We'll give it a color. We'll say black. You can also assign a shortcut key so that instead of having to choose categorize and then selecting one from the drop-down menu, you can just hit, Control F2 or whatever. You can set that up. And click OK and OK, and we save it. Of course, it's clashing, and as you can see, very easy to do. What you can also do is you can assign colors to contacts. Let's say we received an email from a new contact. We can just right-click their name, click Add to Outlook Contacts. Now we click Categorize, and we can set them as a client or lead, cold lead, warm lead, team members, etc. However you want to categorize them, you can just go to, again, all categories, create a new category. Let's say client, we'll set them as a client, click save and close, and now they're saved in our Outlook contacts and they're color coded. One more feature to automate this whole process is assigning colors to words, so Outlook automatically categorizes this kind of stuff for you. To do that, just open up your calendar. Now we'll click view at the top. We want to hit view settings, click conditional formatting, and we'll just add a new condition here. So we'll click add. Let's say I'm setting one up for my meetings. We'll assign that the same color as my meetings, obviously, and we'll hit condition. Now in search for the words, we'll put in meeting and click OK, OK, OK. So now when we create a new appointment, let's say, for example, meeting with Rebecca, 5, and click save and close, Outlook automatically color codes it and categorizes it for us. This is probably my favorite feature just because it automates the entire process and we don't need to assign certain things. We just set our conditions to certain words and Outlook does it all for us. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Let me know in the comments what you'd like more videos on, particularly in the Office 365 suite. I'd be more than happy to put together more videos like this. You can check out our other videos on Facebook, LinkedIn, or YouTube. Just search eStorm Australia, and I'll see you in the next video.